Shalom Israel, Most High Christ bless. I'm Lady Sarai. I have Sister Kayla, also Captain Akar, and Sister Edna over to my left. We are back with another tutorial to Israelite song called Bougie Dance. All right, let's get right into it. The first step is you are crossing your left foot over your right, bringing it together. Bring the left foot back. You're going to step the right foot out and bring that left foot in. So when you speed it up, it looks like this. Cross, step, boom, boom, bop. All right? Let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, step, left, boom, bop. All right? From here, since we are standing with our legs together, we're just going to step out twice like this. 1, 2. And you're going to bring your arm up, kind of real sassy, because it's called the Bougie Dance, right? So 1 and 2. And just make it your own, whatever you want to do, okay? Let's put that all together, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, stop, boom, boom, bop. Sway, all right? Next step is you're going to step the left foot out, bring the right foot over. Your left foot is actually already behind your right foot, but you're just going to push it out, and you're going to turn. All right? Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, step, boom, boom, bop, sway, sway. Left, right, back, and turn. All right, good job, ladies. All right, so remember, you can pause, stop, rewind the video so you can get the moves. So we're facing this way, but I'm going to show you what it looks like from the front. Once you turn around, you're going to dip. 1, 2. All right? And you're going to step up with your right foot first. Step up, go back. All right? So dip, dip, jump up, jump back. All right? And then once you come back from that 1, 2, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right? And you can start off with your left foot because you're jumping up. Go back with your left. And boom, bop, boom, bop. All right? Yeah. Let's do that from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, stop, back, boom, bop. Sway, sway. And left, cross, back and turn, dip. And dip. And front and back. Front and back and front and back. All right? So from there, we're still facing that way though. You're just gonna sway to the right, sway to the left, speed it up. Right, left, right, left. All right, let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway, sway, speed it up. Right, left, right, left. All right, we're almost done. So from that sway, you're gonna take your right foot out and kick back. Twist, boom, bop. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, right? And your right foot is already out, so you're gonna step with that right foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So let's start with the boom, bop, 1 and 2. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, and 1 and 2. Walk, 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 walk. You are actually facing this way, right? So you're going to take that right foot again and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're going to do the exact same thing, but this time you're going to turn, right, with that right foot and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So let's do that from the first 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's the end of the dance. You're going to start back from the beginning right after that last step. So we're going to put it together without the music, and then we're going to put it all together, okay? All right, let's start from the top, ladies. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, step, boom, boom, bop, sway, sway. Left, cross, back and turn and dip, dip. Front, back, front and back, and front and back, and sway. Slow, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, 2 and 3 and 4, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, step, and 3 and 4, and step, from the top. All right, you got it? Let's put the music to it. All right, you ready, ladies? Yeah! All right, let's go. Woo! Woo! 5, 6, 7, go. Step, 5. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See y'all again.